So we're here close to the Mexican border already. It's been a fun day already. We're trying to park the car here in this parking lot.
So he said Sarah to park over there. Okay.
Gate, we finally managed to open the gate, so that's cool. So now we're trying to make it over to Tijuana. Bro, this is amazing. I love it.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning.
That's that TG life. Don't pay it. Don't pay it. Yeah. With the boys. And you guys pay after. So what do you think?
Okay, that is so good.
Have you had any better than that before?
No, probably the best tacos.
Sarah,
Wow, wow, wow.
Nesma, what do you think?
Really good.
Yeah?
Now we're ultimately heading to the beach. What do we have in here?
So this is las frutas.
Las frutas.
Sí, yep. Cucumbers.
Sorry for the bucket.
Oh, 8 for 1, okay. See.
Yo no. So we're out here in Puerto Nuevo. In English is New Port, and this is a spot for langosta. Langosta is como lobster.
say bye, pros.
Later.
Yinka, see you later.